this is the People versus DeMarcus Robinson on ticket number P1207453. Count 1, 16 to 20 miles per hour over posted speed. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Ticket number P1207460. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP11932664. Count 2, driver's license never acquired. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hijazi.
Rami Hijazi, P82830 on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Mr. Robinson, can you say your name for the record?
DeMarcus Robinson.
Mr. Hijazi, there is an offer of setting aside, of Mr. Robinson making admissions to ticket number count 1 and ticket number ending in 453, and then setting aside count 2, the default, and then dismissing the remaining charges. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, Your Honor. And I do move this court to set aside P1207453, count 1 and count 2.
Okay, yes. The court will set aside both count 1 and count 2. And do you stipulate to the face of the ticket as to both the counts 1 and count 2?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so the court will amend count 1 to limited access of going 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone. Will dismiss the remaining charges. There is going to be a fine of $125. Mr. Robinson, you have 14 days, which will be May 17th, 2022, to make that fine payment. And if you don't, it's gonna go into default again. Was there anything further on behalf of your client, Mr. Hijazi?
Yes, for the registration violation, is there a fine amount of that one?
No, the court's going to waive that fine amount.
Thank you, Your Honor. And last question, the matter that was dismissed now under the plea deal, SP 1193264, count 2 and 3, was actually scheduled for next Friday. I was wondering whether the court would remove that calendar entry so we wouldn't have to appear.
Of course, we're dealing with it today, so it will be removed off the docket. And I forgot to ask you, you do stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining charges or counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, we do stipulate.
Okay, so those are dismissed without prejudice. You don't have to worry about coming back next Friday. And that concludes this matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate the prosecution for working with us. And thank you as well.
Thank you, sir. Good luck to you, Mr. Robinson.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Yes, Ms. Murphy.
I am ready on Joe Davis and Raymond Ray. I just chatted something to Madam Prosecutor about someone else, and she's working on another matter. But if you wanted to go ahead with those two, I'm ready, and I'm sorry to keep you waiting.
Okay. Problem.
You said Joe Davis and Raymond Ray?
Yes. You know what I just realized? I did not go back and tell my people what the final resolution was, so I'm sorry. If I could have a moment with each one of those clients, I would appreciate it. I'm terribly sorry.
Okay, Mr. Ray, can you go, I'm gonna send you to another breakout room, Mr. Ray.
Where do you want me to go, Madam Clerk?
Um, I will send you to Joe Davis.
Okay,
maybe.
thanks.
Um,
Thank you.
mhm. Mr. Davis?
Yes,
Hi, we're gonna be ready to call your case in just a moment, but, Madam Counsel needs to talk to you again, okay? So I'm gonna put you back in the breakout, or in one of the breakout rooms, and she'll be right there.
I understand.
Thank you. You could go ahead and join room 4. She'll be with you in
Okay.
just a moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ready on Mr. Davis. Madam Clerk, would you like me to go in another room with Mr. Ray?
Yeah, and that way we can at least do 2 at one time.
Where would you like, are you just gonna place me? Thank you.
Yeah. So it's a 3 month, that's why I do the breakdown on there and then. Yeah. Um,
I don't want to interrupt anything. I'm not sure if Miss Murphy is available.
She is in a breakout room with Raymond Ray at the moment.
Okay,
And I did handle that for you and I sent you a message.
okay, yeah, I did see that. I did see that. Is it a long one or just,
No, it's short,
okay, thank you.
2 pages.
Okay. Okay, so I'll wait for Miss Murphy so that we can try to resolve this one.
Yeah.
Good morning, Miss Horner.
Good morning, Mr. Werbling.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. How about yourself?
I'm well. Thanks for asking.
Warbling, is your client on a phone? Because she was in the hallway.
Right. And I was gonna come down there live, but it may not be necessary. I think we might have a resolution.
Okay, I'll be right back. Right back.
No problem.
Yeah, no, well, I'll figure something out because we're.
Okay, I don't have her phone number. I agree with you. If I could speak with her in the hallway.
Okay, let me
Yeah.
see what I can do for you.
All right.
since we're-
Sorry about, yeah. Thank you.